If you're looking for a way to start a business with minimal investment, reselling might be the right choice for you. Reselling is the process of buying products at a lower price and then selling them at a higher price, earning a profit in the process. This business model has been around for centuries and has always been a great way for people to make money. In this article, we'll discuss the basics of reselling business for beginners. Finding products to resell. The first step in starting a reselling business is to find products to resell. This can be done in several ways. Thrift stores. Thrift stores are a great place to find products to resell. You can find products at a fraction of their original cost and sell them for a profit. Make sure to check the condition of the products before buying them. Garage sales. Garage sales are another excellent place to find products to resell. People often sell their belongings at a lower price, which can be resold for a profit. Online marketplaces. Online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, and Craigslist are great places to find products to resell. You can find products at a lower price and resell them at a higher price. Wholesale suppliers. Wholesale suppliers are also a good source of products to resell. You can buy products in bulk at a lower price and resell them at a higher price. This can be a more profitable option, but it requires a larger investment. Pricing strategy. Once you have found products to resell, the next step is to determine your pricing strategy. The pricing strategy will depend on the market demand, competition, and the price you paid for the product. Here are some pricing strategies to consider. Cost plus pricing. This pricing strategy involves adding a markup to the cost of the product to determine the selling price. For example, if the cost of the product is $10 and you add a 50% markup, the selling price will be $15. Competitor-based pricing. This pricing strategy involves pricing the product based on the prices of competitors. If the competition is selling a similar product for $20, you may price your product at $18. Value-based pricing. This pricing strategy involves pricing the product based on the perceived value of the product. For example, if the product is in high demand, you may be able to price it higher than its actual value. Marketing your products. Marketing your products is essential to your reselling business's success. Here are some ways to market your products. Social media. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great ways to market your products. You can create a business page and share product photos and descriptions with your followers. Email marketing. Email marketing is an effective way to reach potential customers. You can create an email list and send out newsletters with product promotions and sales. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with influencers in your industry to promote your products. This can help you reach a wider audience and increase sales. Managing inventory. Managing inventory is crucial to the success of your reselling business. Here are some tips for managing inventory. Keep accurate records. Keeping accurate records of your inventory is essential to avoid overstocking or running out of stock. Use a spreadsheet or inventory management software to track your inventory. Analyze sales data. Analyzing sales data can help you determine which products are selling well and which products are not. This can help you make informed decisions about your inventory. Order in advance. Ordering in advance can help you avoid running out of stock. Keep track of the lead time for your products and order them in advance. Customer service. Customer service is an important aspect of any business, including reselling. Here are some tips for providing excellent customer service. Respond quickly. Responding quickly to customer inquiries and concerns shows that you value their business. Aim to respond to customer inquiries within 24 hours. Be professional. Be professional and courteous when communicating with customers. Use proper grammar and spelling, and avoid using slang or text messaging abbreviations. Offer refunds and returns. Offering refunds and returns can help build trust with customers. Make sure to have a clear refund and return policy and communicate it to customers. Provide accurate product information. Providing accurate product information can help customers make informed decisions about their purchases. Make sure to provide detailed product descriptions and answer any questions customers may have. Follow up. Following up with customers after a purchase shows that you care about their satisfaction. Send a thank you email or follow-up survey to gather feedback and improve your customer service. Scaling your business. Once you have established your reselling business, You may want to consider scaling your business to increase your profits. Here are some ways to scale your reselling business. Expand your product line. Expanding your product line can help you reach a wider audience and increase sales. Consider adding complementary products or expanding into new product categories. Increase your marketing efforts. Increasing your marketing efforts can help you reach more customers and increase sales. Consider investing in paid advertising or partnering with influencers to promote your products. Hire employees. Hiring employees can help you manage your inventory, fulfill orders, and provide excellent customer service. Consider hiring part-time or freelance employees to help you scale your business. Automate your processes. Automating your processes can help you save time and reduce errors. Consider using inventory management software or automating your marketing campaigns. Conclusion: reselling can be a lucrative business model for beginners who want to start a business with minimal investment. By finding products to resell, determining your pricing strategy, marketing your products, managing inventory, providing excellent customer service, and scaling your business, you can build a successful reselling business. Remember to stay organized, stay up to date with market trends, and always put your customers first. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your reselling business into a profitable venture.